Your on-ice officials today, the referees Dan O'Halloran and Wes McCauley, a veteran pair, Libor Suchanek and Steve Barton on the lines. Donskoy deflects it to Burakovsky and then Kadri. Nazem Kadri on the pull-up. Back to point position. Rister comes and scores! From deep, Erik Johnson.
They're getting decent production so far this season from their blue liners, and Johnson from downtown slips it right under the pads of Braden Holtby. It all starts on the attack, and it's Kadri who sets it up. Getting away from Backstrom, laying it over for Johnson, and there's the shot coming in front. Let's take a look one more time. Here comes the Johnson shot, and in front of the net. Just looks like it skips between the pads. Burakovsky with a little bit of cross traffic and screen.
Slipping this one back behind the cage. Graves is there to send it on around. That's 24-year-old Ryan Graves for New York Ranger property. Ovechkin right in tight. Grubauer the stop, and the rebound bounces wide.
A-plus grade chance right here as Wilson drops it. Here comes OV, immediately shoots the puck, then runs over the D and the goaltender. Johnson and Grubauer get knocked down. Here's that last play. There's the heavy hit.
Carlson not able to keep this one in. McKinnon streaking back on the drop with Rantanen. Front side for Zadorov, who spins and scores. Nikita Zadorov.
Looking like a gunslinger goal scorer there. The spinorama and the wicked wrister. It's the pass. First of all, it's McKinnon who pushes everybody back. Left side of the screen. Look at how he picked that up. And then the calmness to move it across his body. Siegenthaler goes down. He slides past. But what a play by the big rig defenseman. Now today, the Caps seeing the same type of defensive core that's very fast, very mobile, that are always in on the play.
This is Washington's fourth straight game against a Central Division foe. Slicing in here, wrist shot score. Nazem Kadri makes it 3-love.
And that speed down the wing, and they're not getting a whole lot of shots, just 3 shots now and 3 goals. And here it comes one more time, the quick up, and watch Kadri just come in and just fire it past the catching glove. And I think Samsonov may be getting ready here to come in for a Braden Holtby under 8 minutes into the first.
Makar and McKinnon. Looking to Rantanen on the weak side. McKinnon sets it up inside. Kadri, pad save, Samsonov, rebound score. No mistake for Rantanen. It's 4-0.
Wow. It's the left side of the screen. That's a misplay, but they kick it back around to spread out and move the PKers. This one comes across. First chance, Kadri. Sharp angle shot is none other than Rantanen, who buries it on the far side. Comeback time needed big time this next shift.
As Eller breezes back through center with Wilson getting wide. Wilson slots it for an Eller drive, and that's gloved by Grubauer.
Yeah, I love it.
I love it too.
You get to see it from a different perspective, though. As Burakovsky rips one right to Samsonov, the rookie netminder has it in the glove. Play for another 8 seconds. Along the wall, Hathaway is going to chip it out. As Makar tends to him, Hathaway to the front, on the backhand, Grubauer at the end of the line.
And it was rolling a little bit hard backhand there for Panik. Watch this play, Hathaway, who's been a real workhorse. There's Panik, but the puck rolled on him. Couldn't get it up. So Justin, baseball guy, right?
Yep.
I know what you're going to say. Tell me a little bit about the finals here.
Comes it up from time to time with Coach Brooks. How has Brooks been with you guys so far?
He is unbelievable to deal with. As far as a head coach at a professional level.
24 seconds left in the 4-on-4 play. Dimitri spots Eller. Eller zips that one wide to Philip Grubauer. Grubauer with 11 stops to this point. Turnover in tight. Score! Lars Eller.
Good keeping on a foot move there at the blue line. There's the escape route. They're trying to go up the middle, and it's sniffed out by Lars Eller. And he did not make a mistake. This is an Avalanche team that loves to go up the middle on the breakouts. Well scouted by Eller.
Nazem Kadri doing the honors. Ovechkin rushes as Kuznetsov spins. Down low, Oshie. Score!
Here they come, and the fans like it, and then playing the game they were. And this leads to a breakdown. 3 Avalanche on one side. Kuznetsov finds the trailer Orlov, who finds Oshie, and he makes no mistake on the check. On the deke against Grubauer. Watch this. Misses the check of the stick.
Nicholas Backstrom opposite of Jost. It's Backstrom who wins it cleanly. Carlson through the screen, deflected, and Grubauer made a good save there at the post. Radko Gudas through center, finding Leipzig. Leipzig to his backhand, just shoveled that one wide. 6 seconds to go in the period. A last-ditch effort. Gudas fires off of Grubauer, and the big rebound winds up out of play for a whistle. The long drive that winds up in the safety netting. See Wes McCauley blowing the play dead.
Kuznetsov has to get his shooting stick ready here. A couple of too many passes there. He had another great chance to get the shot away, and instead he elects to what he likes to do.
Samsonov in hot water. Wilson scores.
Bunch of mistakes. Getting back for the puck, not being able to catch it cleanly. This is just the way the afternoon has gone. Here's that play. Doesn't get enough on it. Ripped off by Jost, and there's the pass out in front. He'll get the primary assist. Nieto and Wilson right there. Watch the play. Here it is. He can't control. Puck comes out in front. Jost gets the puck right there to Nieto.
Eller has the top specialty, or rather the top faceoff numbers for Washington this season. Jensen off the fake slapper, fires off the post. He had Grubauer beaten. He rang the iron.
Taking short shifts, playing deep, prevent defense in the neutral zone, making it very tough for the Capitals in this comeback.
Turnover, stuff. Samsonov made the save on Kadri. Kuznetsov sends it to the boards. TJ Oshie down the dasher. Getting wide to protect the puck away from Bellemare. Snapshot, Grubauer the save. Rebound, Grubauer to cover.
Watch this play down low. Just a little walk in. There's the shot by Backstrom, and notice it creates a problem, but Grubauer jolly on the spot. Make sure he covers it coming across right there with a little help from his D-man, Johnson.
6-on-4 will end then. Ovechkin moves to the middle. Around Bellemare. They have it set. Ovechkin's one-timer. Score!
Here's Kuznetsov. Just puts it back to Ovi in the wheelhouse. There's the shot, deflects off the high guy, Bellemare. And that change of direction works out just fine. Watch Bellemare's stick. Right there, it looked like it got a piece of it, which made it roll and made it knuckle, and absolutely no chance for the goaltender. Right off the shaft of the stick. Notice how it changed directions in a hurry.
Nicholas carving out of the corner, around McKinnon. Carlson fires, deflected wide of Grubauer. It's on the dasher for a moment. Watch out. McKinnon 2-on-1, empty net waiting. Bullseye.
Too little, too late for the Washington Capitals. Things started off poorly, and they could not recover from their start here today. Goal of the season, or of the game. Here comes McKinnon. Here's the shot, and right into the middle of the net.
As Ilya Samsonov sweeps this one to the boards. The siren sounds. Colorado 6 and Washington 3.